Satnam, my name is Tina Sanjit Prakash Kar, and welcome to your Kundalini Yoga class, to your Kundalini Yoga meditation we do today together. And I will explain in this video what we are doing and how we are doing this meditation. So in general, we have one dominant nostril. So through one nostril, we are breathing more in and out than through the other one. And that depends where I am, what stage I am at the moment. Am I more active, my circulation is up and flowing? Then it will be my right side, my right nostril will be the dominant one. When I'm coming out of a relaxation or a long meditation, where everything is very calm in my nervous system has calmed down, my circulation is a little bit down, so then I will have the left nostril, the dominant one. And we can change our awareness, moving from one side to another side. There's another beautiful meditation, but we are doing a different one today, where we also focusing on our nostrils. So you bring your arms, you bend your arms, bring the elbows next to your rib cage, and the palms facing up, fingers are firm together. And then you inhale and you lift your left shoulder to your ears. And at the same time, you will even feel it, that the left nostril gets more open, more air is flowing in. And then you exhale and keep the awareness on the left nostril. Then we alternate the side, and the next inhale, the right shoulder goes up, and then we are exhaling, we are releasing the right shoulder, and you will feel that the air streams more through the right nostril in and out. If you would like to do this meditation together, you can do it by yourself for 11 minutes, or if you want to join me, just jump onto the next video. Satnam.